Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and the Chrome browser had its weekly update, usually for security, and I would guess there are probably some security fixes that are not mentioned. As I was going through the log, and there seems to be a few of the things in there fixed that are bugs that do resemble security fixes, but without really mentioning a lot of security. So there's no mention, but there's bug fixes and probably security updates in there. So if you go to your Chrome browser, upper right corner, 3 vertical pop, and help and about Google Chrome, you will be moved to version 145.0, then 7632.159 or 160, depending on the operating system you use. And this is, of course, the latest version of Chrome now. Something new also to talk about in Google Chrome is the fact that they will now be issuing bigger updates with new features every 2 weeks rather than once a month like they were doing before. So this is to make things a little more stable, meaning that you get less new features at the same time, reducing the chances of problems. And also, you'll get the new features faster in this new way. So since 2021, the updates were once a month for new features. Now every 2 weeks. So this is the change. For the security updates, stays at once a week like it is right now. So check out your updates, and hopefully you will have a fix, and it might or might not go into the Chromium browsers. I don't know if some of these fixes will also be pushed to Chromium browsers this week, but do check out if you have an update. If you have an update, then we know that there could be some of the bugs that are fixed also that are across all the browsers. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.